Namaste and welcome to my channel Study Nepal. As like of every day, today also I have brought a video in which I will tell and give you idea to check whether the given number is exactly divisible by 2 or not, 3 or not, 4 or not, 5 or not, 6 or not. Likewise, today I am going to show one number and I am going to check whether that number is exactly divisible by these all numbers or not. So let's start our video. So at first, let's check whether a number is divisible by 2 or not. For that, I'm going to keep one value. Suppose 1404. Now I'm going to check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. I'm in 2. Okay. So if the last digit is even number, or so if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Likewise, if the last digit is these all numbers, then we confirm that this number is exactly divisible by 2. Let us check 1404. I am confirmed that this number is divisible. How it is divisible? We can check in a calculator. Let us check here. See, we are going to check 1404 is divisible by 2 or not. So you can see here. See, exactly this number is divisible by 2. So to check for the digit 3, I will give you one idea. So to check whether any number is divisible by 3 or not, what you do for 3, you have to add the all digit of that number, sum of all the digit of that number. So here for checking the number is divisible by 3 or not, what you do the sum of all the digit of that number. One example I'll give for you. Suppose one example you have 3, 9, 4, 2. Now I am going to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. For that, what I have told, do the sum of all the digits of that number. After doing sum, then you can see what is the answer. 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 4, that is 16 plus 2, 18. Okay, after doing the sum, if the answer of that sum is divisible by 3, then you can say directly that this number is also divisible by 3. So now we are in 4. Now we are going to check whether any number given for is divisible by 4 or not. For that, let's take an example. Suppose the example is like such 3, 9, 4, 8. Now I'm going to tell you the trick whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. For that, what we have to know is that just take the last 2 digits of that number. Take the last 2 digits of that number. If the last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then whole number is also divisible by 4. Just let's make confirm this 48 is divisible by 4 or not. So for that, let's divide. 4 ones are 4. So and then after 8 comes 4 2s are 8. So see, this number is exactly divisible by 4. The last 2 digits is exactly divisible by 4. Then we can confirm that this whole number is also divisible by 4. So now let's check for 5 whether the given number is divisible by 5 or not. This is very easy trick, very easy trick. So to check whether the number is divided by 5 or not, just what you search the 0 or 5 at last of that number. Suppose one example 1770. Okay, don't say anything, just see the last number. If the last number is 0 or 5, then we confirm that this whole number is also divisible by 5. If you found 0 or 5 at last, then we confirm that this whole number is divisible by 5. Take another example 1 4 4 5. See the last digit. So the last digit is 5, then this whole number is also divisible by 5, because already I have told if you found 0 or 5 at last, then we confirm that this whole number is also divisible by 5. Now let's check for 6 whether the given number is divisible by 6 or not. So for this, what I'm going to tell, the first point is it must be even number. If the number is even, then it is exactly divisible. Then there is maximum chance to be divisible by 6. First, the number must be even. If that is odd, then be sure this 6 do not divide that number. And the second point is the sum, same like the trick of 3. The sum of the all digits must be divided by 3. Must be divisible by 3. So first thing is it must be even. Odd number cannot be divisible by 6. Another, if this point is satisfied, then come toward the second point. The sum of all that digit must be divisible by 3. Suppose let us take one example for 6. I am going to take one example 786. So at first let's take the first one point. It is even. Okay, so the even one point is satisfied. Now let's go toward the next point. What is the next point? The sum of all digit must be divisible by 3. Sum of all digit must be divisible by 3. So what is the sum of 8 and 7? That is 15. 15 plus 6, that is 21. So does this 21 is divisible by 3? Surely this 21 is divisible by 3. Then we confirm that the second point is also fulfilled. So if the first and second both points are fulfilled, then be sure that this 786 is exactly divisible by 6. So now we are going to check whether the number is divisible by 7 or not. So to check whether any number is divisible by 7 or not, we have to make confirm some steps here. Suppose let's take one example that is 3528. Suppose let's take one example that is 3528. Now we are going to check whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. To make confirm the steps, what you have to do, let's know some steps for it. Let's take the last digit. Let's take the last digit out. So what you do, take the last digit from that number, and then the second step is double it. Second step is double it. So we are going to double that. Okay, and the answer is 16. Now what is the third step is that subtract the answer from the remaining question. Subtract the answer from remaining question. So what is the remaining question? 352. Now we have to subtract the 16 from 352. What is the answer? So we have to take a borrow. This is 4 and this is 12. 12 minus 6, 6, 4 minus 1, 3 and 336. Now can you tell this number is divisible by 7 or not? Maybe you don't know, still you became confused this number is divisible by 7 or not. So again continue the same process. Remove the last digit and double it. The answer is 12. Now subtract this 12 from the remaining one question. That is what number remains here? 3 minus 2 1 and 3 minus 1 2 21. Now is this 21 is divisible by 7? I think this number is surely divisible by 7 because 7 3 is 21. So if the last one answer, if the least and last one answer is divisible by 7, then we confirm that this whole question that was 3528, this number is also divisible by 7. Okay. Now we are going to check whether the given number is divisible by 8 or not. So let's take an example for it. That is, suppose one example 79184. Now by just looking we cannot say this number is divisible by 8 or not. So for this what we have to do, just take out the last 3 digit from the number. Last 3 digit from the number, that is 184. 184. Now what you do, at first take out the last 3 digit of that number. Then if the last 3 digit is divisible by 8, then this whole number is also divisible by 8. So let's check the last digit is divisible by 8 or not. So 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16. So what remains? 2 remains. 24 became 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So see, this 184 is exactly divisible by 8. So we can say this whole number is also exactly divisible by 8. What you have to learn is that take out the last 3 digit of the number, then divide the last 3 digit by 8, If the last 3 digit is divisible by 8, then you can say the whole number is also divisible by 8. So now let's check whether the number is divisible by 9 or not. So to check the number is divisible by 9 or not, same steps like 3. The process is sum all the digits of that number. Sum all the digits of that number. Suppose let us take one example: 4, 5, 3, 6. Okay, now we are going to sum this all number: 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6. What is the answer? 4 plus 5 9 plus 9 18. Okay, after adding the all digit of that number, what answer comes? If this answer is divisible by 9, then we confirm that this whole number is divisible by 9. We are going to check about the 10. So 10 is most easy one format, that is if the number contains 0 at last. Suppose 1 5 1 0 or 1 2 3 0 or 1 4 5 0 or 1 6 8 0. If the last number contains 0, otherwise just we can see 2 1 0 0 also. If the last digit of any number contains 0, then you can directly say that number is divisible by 10. So just let's check for this. 0 0 we can cut. What is the answer? 151. See, exactly divisible. So if the number contains 0 at last, then you can say that number is exactly divisible by 10. Okay, so today's video I have completed properly. So how is the video? Just you can give your feedback on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for today. Next time also like such video I will bring regularly. Till that time, stay tuned. Have a nice time. Thank you.